Hello everyone. Same as the inspirational picture, we are going to make a very simple and not expensive centerpiece. The material is the flowers, our flowers, and the flower stand, and our plastic ball frame. And about the flowers, we have two types. This is our middle. This is our rose, and this is our middle top rose. This flower will be taller than this one. I will make the centerpiece with two type of this flower. One just use this flower, and one centerpiece will make with this top flower to show you the effect. Okay, let's get it started. First of all, we need to install the stand. This stand, the material is plastic. We have gold, silver, white, and black color. If you want the detail about this stand and the price, please link to my blog. I will place the link on the information field below this video. Look at this stand. There are some spikes here, so you can put the foam ball or the green thing, which used for the real flower. I don't know the name, but I think you will understand. But on my tutorial, I will use our plastic ball frame. About how to make the flower ball with our ball frame, and something more about the ball frame. I already make a special tutorial before, so please link to this video for the detail. I will paste the link on below information field. Very simple. Just insert the flower on the ball frame will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, then we already make half of the flower ball, and then put on the stand. Okay, let's check it. In fact, it's very pretty, much more pretty than you can see from the screen. Okay. Look at this. In fact, there's other space. There's some space here. You can add more flower to cover the space. 1 second, I will add the flower. Okay, I will add one light champagne rose on it, so all cover. You can adjust the ball until satisfied. And okay, if you have, you can put a mirror here, and then use the LED. Do not use the real candle because it might be caught fire. Okay, put a mirror here and maybe some petal on the mirror and put some LED candle. That will be a very beautiful but not expensive centerpiece. Okay, I make this with our rose. I will show you the effect by using our top rose. Okay, this is the centerpiece flower I make with our top rose flowers. Let's check it. Okay, for your reference about how to make the flower ball with our ball frame, you can check my old video. I have a special video to tell you how to make the flower ball. I will paste the link on the information field below this video. Okay, so if it will be better, much more pretty, if you put a mirror here and then put some candle, LED candle, and some flower and some petal. So I'm sure you will get a very pretty, very beautiful centerpiece. The price is not expensive also. If you want to know the cost, the price of all the material, the flower, the ball frame, and the stand, you can link to my blog. Find the link on below information field. So you can link to my blog for the price and all the detail. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.